Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan, and this is a Nakama Noodles box. You can get these over at Miau, spelled M-I-A-U, miauboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code THERAMENRATER for a discount. So these boxes are awesome, and if you have somebody that you know that's really into instant noodles, especially Japanese ones, this makes a good holiday gift, I would say. I've found some really fascinating stuff in here. Not all of it is stuff that I'm like going to give 5 stars to, but there's a lot of stuff in here that I have found to be absolutely spectacular. So with that, yeah, let's crack this open and check it out. Oh, nice. So when you open the box, the first thing you're going to see is this little leaflet, and on the back it has this QR code. And the QR code will take you to a link for a PDF, which has information on everything that's in the box and all sorts of cultural information. It's pretty rad. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the QR code, go check out the list of everything that's in this box, and tell you a little bit about it. And to start things out, we've got this cup noodle variety. This is a white tan ramen, and that's interesting. Usually it's kind of a dark color, usually really thick, syrupy. This one does have a sachet on top and looks fancy. I've never seen this before, so cool. And next up, we've got Sapporo Ichiban Kasahara's specialty katsuo and meat-infused adult shoyu ramen bowl. I think it's kind of funny that they call it adult, because that just like makes you think of something else completely. But yeah, it's got a chef on it. It looks fancy, so, and it's meat infused. Next up, we've got Myojo Ibichan Night Shop Smoked Cheese Yakisoba. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, there have been some varieties of these Ippichan trays that I've had that seemed really, really suspect. One was the tartar sauce flavor, and honestly, that was really, really good. I would never have thought tartar sauce flavoring and instant noodles or yakisoba would work, but it worked. So, smoked cheese, we'll find out. And check this out, Sapporo Ichiban Tenkaipen Kyoto Koteri Chicken Broth Mini Cup Ramen. And yeah, it is definitely mini. There have been, I think the bowl, the Tenkaipen bowl is on my top 10 bowls list this year, and it's really good stuff. But I've never seen one in a little tiny cup, so I guess we'll see. I hope it's good. Next up, we've got Myojo with their Megami Roasted Miso Cup. Roasted miso, huh? I don't know. But Megami, I don't think that has anything to do with size, but this is a big sucker, so yeah, we'll try that soon. Alright, next up, we've got Myojo Ippichan Night Shop Yakisoba. This is definitely one that I've had before, and it is intensely good. This has karashi mayo with it. I believe that's what's going on here. And yeah, it looks like it's a new version too, at least new packaging, slightly. So yeah, we'll give this another try. And here's an interesting one from Sapporo Ichiban. This is their Watanabe Yuichiro Specialty Muscle Mariniere Shio Ramen Pack. So it's got mussel, so it's a seafood variety, and it's a seafood shio. So I guess we'll give it a try. It looks fancy, and I've definitely had this one. I'm pretty sure I've had this one. This is Marushan Saimen and their miso variety, and this is kind of like Nissan has Rao, Marushan has Saimen. This is kind of like their more premium stuff. good noodles usually, and the broth is probably going to be quite nice and strong, and yeah, good. And to round out the box, from Maroshan, we have their Toyosui Midori no Tanuki Mini Tensoba bowl. Yeah, it's a little bowl. It's kind of like a cup noodle, but in bowl form. This range is very popular. There's Kitsune Udon, there's Midori no Tanuki, there's lots of them. So, very cool. Alright, so in the December 2024 Festive Noodle Feastin' Nakama Noodle Box, you get miso, something for New Year's Eve, Denkaipen, white tantanmen, Megami, something for the adults, something with muscle, something with spicy mayo, smoked cheese yakisoba, and your informational leaflet. Well, as always, thank you very much to the folks over at Meow Mall for sending these boxes to me every month. I really appreciate it, and there is some awesome stuff in these. This month had some really cool stuff. I'm just dumbfounded by how many Japanese varieties I've not had, and so many in here are going to be awesome. If you want to get one of these boxes for a friend, loved one, or yourself for the holiday season, go on over to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, miauboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code THERAMENRATER for a discount. You will be glad. If you like ramen, you will be glad you did. Anyways, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you a happy holiday season. Have a good one. Bye.